Hey everyone, I am Diwakar, a fellow student who has been through the grind of searching for internships and jobs with zero luck. If you ever felt frustrated by endless applications and no replies, today's video is for you. I am going to share a proven system step by step so you can go from overwhelmed to in demand by real companies, even with no prior experience. Let's dive in. Internships are more than resume candy, right? They are your first taste of real world work, your chance to build connections, and often your ticket to a full time after. But these days, competition is fierce, right? Companies post job on 10 different platforms, get hundreds of applications, and you ended up lost in the noise, right? I'm here to turn that around. Here's the first thing you can do. Before you apply anywhere, pick one skill that companies needed or that you are interested, like SEO basics or UI UX design, social media content, or data analysis in X. Spend a few weeks on mastering it. Take a course or follow tutorials, build 2 3 small projects. This is not about perfection, it's about proof that you can deliver value from day one, right? Now here's the second thing, that finding the right companies that you want. Now go hunting. Use LinkedIn. Companies tab that you can filter by industry and size, right? And also check your Y Combinator directory for startups for emerging players. And explore AngelList for early stage ventures and startups. Your goal is create a 20 to 30 organizations in your chosen domain. For example, marketing, edtech, design, or fintech, whatever excites you, right? Here's the third thing, that you can research and identify pain points that you have listed companies. Open each company website and social feeds, like Insta, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Look for gaps. Maybe their blog is not ranking, maybe their website is not good, their Instagram engagement is low, maybe their LinkedIn page has not posted in months. Jot down all the three specific observations from each company. This will be your hook when you are reaching out, right? Now here's the fourth thing, that you can crafting a value first outreach, right? I'll tell you the three examples. The first thing, if you take an SEO, I notice this is the hook. I notice your blog has not updated in a while and ranks low on Google. I have built SEO optimization posts that drove 5,000 visits in a month. Would love to help you boost traffic. And if you take the content, your Instagram posts have great visuals but low engagement. I can create carousel templates, and I can create the captions that increase saves and shares. Here's the third thing. Process. Your customer onboarding flows look manual. I have automated workflows with Notion or Make that saves teams 10 plus hours a week. Pick any one example that matches your skill and you can create your own. Use it as your opening line. Here's the fifth thing, that you can choose your outreach channels. For example, email, LinkedIn DM, or Twitter DM. If you take email, find the hiring manager via LinkedIn or company website. Send a concise 3-line pitch. Or if you take LinkedIn, connect with a short note, including your observations and offer. If you take any social media account, for smaller startup, Instagram and Twitter works, right? Just keep it professional. From my own experience, startups are the best to reach outreach, right? Startups move fast, value hustle, and love enthusiastic learners, right? You will get hands-on experience, wear multiple hats, and often convert to a full-time roles once they see your impact, right? Plus, you will learn more in 3 months at a startup than in an entire semester of lectures. Don't expect 100K package at day one, right? Focus on learning, demonstrating results. As you grow with a startup, your role and pay will automatically scale, right? Even sometimes it will grow from 1 to 10x directly if the company does well, right? The growth mindset is key. Bonus tip from my side, from networking and follow-up. Attend virtual events or online or offline events. Connect with alumni. Join Discord or WhatsApp or Slack communities in your field. Personal referrals cut through the noise, right? After you apply, share a thoughtful comment on the company's LinkedIn post. Show them you can take it. Your 5-step process, building a skill, finding companies, researching pain points, crafting a value first outreach, and networking like a pro. If you follow these steps, you will definitely land on internships or job faster than your today's generation resumes, right? If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe and comment your opinion. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.